Hello everyone. The murder charge faced by Thabo Bester, his lover Dr. Nandipha, and their co-accused has been withdrawn by the NPA. This was revealed on Wednesday after the appearance of Makudumane, Sinohi Matswara, Teboho Lipolo, Butima Semula, Dio Makotza, and Nastia Janssen and the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court for their alleged roles in Bester's audacious May 2022 escape from Mangaung Correctional Center. The group was initially charged with murder after it was revealed that the dead body found in Bester's prison cell was that of Katlego Junior Mpolo. His body was used to orchestrate what is believed to have been one of the most elaborate prison escapes in South African history. Bester, with prison officials, faked his death after a body was brought into his cell. He apparently set it alight before his escape on May 3. During Wednesday court proceedings, the state prosecutor Selo Matloho asked for the matter to be postponed to May 11 and 12. Makudumane and her co-accused are expected to apply for bail. The News 24 publication also reported that Dr. Nandipha and Bester offered prison guard 105,000 rands to help with the escape, NPA charge sheet. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.